Hey guys, your boy Manny Cash here. Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. But in this video in particular, I want to highlight the importance of following up. Why? Because in this deal in particular, it took me 14 months, which we made $20,000. But I just want to show you what it takes to actually close the deal and make money in real estate wholesaling. And if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe and like, because in the future videos I'm going to be covering how to follow up on your leads. And also I want to know on the comments below what kind of content you would like me to do for you guys to become a better closer.
Many cash, poppin' fans, you know you got the stacks. Many cash, poppin' fans, you know you got the.
Damn, Sheik, how'd you cook that up?
Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna go door knock a property that the seller reached out to me about a month and a half ago, and he's looking for a place to retire. You know, the house is too big for him, and I've been trying to reach out to him over the phone, you know, following up, but he doesn't answer the phone call. So right now I'm gonna take it to the next level. I'm gonna follow up with him by door knocking his property, and I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't know if he's at the property. Hopefully he's there. Hopefully he hasn't sold it yet. So we're here at the property. Again, I don't know how this is gonna go. Hopefully he's there. I don't know, but let's see what happens.
Hey, what's up, man?
Mr. Roy, how you doing?
Hey, Roy, man.
How you doing?
Over there.
Of course. How you doing?
You forgot me, guy.
Huh?
I thought you forgot me.
No. What's going on, guys? So we're here. We're back a year and about almost 13 months. We're back to this property. I talked to this homeowner one more time about 13 months ago. He was ready, but he was applying for a nursing home, so it took a whole year for him to get the application to get approved. So he called me back today saying, "Hey Manny, I'm ready to sign. I'm actually moving to the apartment in 2 weeks, so I need to sell my house." So here we are. We're gonna look at the property again. We're gonna get the contract and then see how we can help him. Sometimes this business is not just about money, it's just how you can help people, and that's pretty much what we're doing over here. Yeah, man, so this is the property that we got in the contract a few weeks ago. As I promised, I was going to help him move some stuff, and here we are helping him. Got my buddy Tate with me, giving me a hand. We're going to go ahead right now and to his new apartment and upload the stuff. So that's pretty much it, Like 100 degrees out here. This is what we do. So Daddy says not me. Not me. Let's say, guys, we're done. That was a workout for the day. My arms are killing me right now, but we got the job done. We helped somebody. We purchased a property. Now let's help more families, right? So for those of you that are out there in San Antonio or any part in Texas, if you have a property, know somebody that would like a cash offer or needs help with his moving or some paperwork, title, somebody maybe there was a will and the will hasn't been probated, or there was not a will on the property, you know, get with me, get with Teddy. We can help you on that, right, guys?
Yeah.
All right, now this one. And Manny, I'll let you say it because you know better about this file. Go ahead.
In Spanish. In
This
Spanish.
one, this one took 14 months follow-up, guys. 14-month follow-up. And that's all it takes, right? It's just the money's in the follow-up. Door knock, text, letter, calls. Finally today, close on contact. So he was happy. So
So he came to the office, saw we were a world office. Manny built such great rapport with this one as well. 14 months on this one, man. The takeaway is the money's in the follow-up. So Manny, congratulations, sir.
thank you, sir.
There you go. Ring that bell.
Let's go.
Go, baby.